What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This look is inspired by St. Patrick's Day and is also sponsored by Mehron makeup. I absolutely love all of their products and this is such an honor. Thank you so much Mehron. Let's get into the video. I'm starting off with my face cast. You can either make your own face cast or you can buy a styrofoam one from Hobby Lobby, whatever works for you. Using some Mehron liquid latex, I'm applying a few layers of that all over the face cast. I did about 5 layers because this is my first time ever doing a cotton latex mask. I really wanted to make sure that latex was going to be thick enough for when I pull that thing off. I'm taking cotton balls and just unraveling them and laying them down flat and just putting as much liquid latex down and pushing down the cotton on top and then smashing more liquid latex on top of that. This is my first cotton latex mask, so I really didn't know exactly what I was doing, but that's the fun of it all. I tried out different techniques by either putting down the liquid latex first and then laying the cotton on top, or rolling the cotton balls in the liquid latex and then laying those down. I kind of went back and forth in between those, just kind of testing out what I liked and ended up liking both of them, so you can see that I do that on the whole entire thing. I am referencing a few different images of really deep facial features like wrinkles and like stretched out skin. Then I am also looking at pictures of people being infected or like infected makeup that other people have done. I don't always have a clear idea of what I'm doing when I go to do my makeup looks. I have this really silly drawing that I'll do for all my makeup looks that takes probably like 5 minutes just to kind of get an idea, and then I pretty much wing it from there. You can complete this whole face mask in a day if you just put liquid latex down and then hit it with a hairdryer and then keep going. I ended up doing this over a span of a couple days so I could just let it air dry. I wanted to do these like rainbow infected pus ball things, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorry that my hand is in the way. Next time will be better, but I'm just rolling different sized cotton balls in the liquid latex first and then kind of molding it to give it some weird shape and then putting it down and then poking it with my fingernail. Everything is all dry, so now it's time for the paint job. I'm taking this dark green paint and some 99% alcohol mixed in with it and just doing a light coverage. I'm pushing that dark green into the wrinkles just to make it look even darker and deeper. I'm starting to color all of these infected little pus balls different colors. I wanted them to all be rainbow, like he's infected by the rainbow or something, and then releasing all of these different colored veins. I did that on the mask and then tried to do like tears in the suit so you could see some of the veins poking through. Using some polymorph plastic, I had already pre-molded these teeth, applying a little liquid latex to the top of them and gluing them down. Painted some metallic gold right on top of it. Felt like that was absolutely perfect for this look. Taking some crepe wool, I soaked that in a alcohol water body paint concoction overnight. You can definitely buy it already pre-colored, but I already had white crepe wool from my Santa look. I just figured I might as well just use it and then dye it. So that's what I did. I didn't record myself adding the crepe wool to the mask. All I did was put down a little bit of latex and then put down the pieces of the crepe wool, put a clear coat of varnish on it, and ta-da, we're ready to start the makeup. I felt this was the only way that we could start this makeup look. Let's go. I already drew out my rough design to start and packing on some of that green body paint that we used before on the mask all over for my suit using that stipple sponge. Using white body paint, I'm painting this little white undershirt. Using black body paint, I'm starting to draw out that suit. I'm painting out this little bow tie, but it was unnecessary because my beard ended up covering it. I've never used this metallic gold from Mehron before, and I was pleasantly surprised with how gold it is. Definitely will be doing a look with that in the future because I'm very much obsessed with it. Taking some black shadow and a fluffy brush, I'm just adding some shadow around that suit to give it a little bit more dimension. I added some highlight on that bow tie with the metallic gold. Now I'm going in and shading it with a little shader brush. Yet again, you didn't have to do the bow tie, but in case you want to see how a bow tie is done, going in with a wet wipe, I'm starting to take away some of that body paint to start making my tears in the suit. Using that same type of skin tone color, I'm adding that skin tone in and then taking the dark green from the same color that we used for the suit and adding just a little bit of strings. Then I'm going in with white body paint and adding a little bit more strings right on top of that. I'm priming my eyes with just some regular eyeshadow primer, taking this glue stick, just gluing down my eyebrows to keep them safe from when we add the liquid latex. Before we add the mask, we definitely want to color the eyelids. So using this green eyeshadow, I'm darkening one eye with green and black, and then the other eye, I'm just coloring it multicolor to match the mask. I end up going back over it with body paints, but it's good to get a placement down first instead of trying to get underneath the mask when it's already applied. Going back in with liquid latex and a little wedge, just applying that all over my face and on the inside of the mask, just so that it has just dual tackiness to grip onto. I'm placing down the nose first. You always want to start with the center of the face and then work your way around. So that's what I'm doing here. Here I'm going in and just deepening up that black around the eye. Now it's time to tease the hair and put our hat on, and the look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Mehron. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section below what look you guys want to see next.